What you learn in a class as a pattern doesn't always work in a social environment, and that's where the BLC comes in. Guys, this body language curriculum is intended to teach people how to dance with each other, how to hear the other person's body language, and make adjustments in our own so we can be a better community of partners. This educational series is called the Body Language Curriculum because it's literally a gathering, a curriculum of information that you need to understand for West Coast Swing, but not West Coast Swing, the set of partner dance movements that we call patterns, but rather West Coast Swing, the infinitely complex language that we use to communicate with each other through our physical bodies. And since I wanted you to learn the body language that we're speaking, rather than just the sugar push and the sugar tuck and the sugar with an inside turn, I needed to make sure that you were focusing on how and what we're communicating to each other before focusing on what we're doing. If I were to describe the difference, well, it'd be like knowing how to speak Spanish because of that 1 year in high school where you learned de donde el baño, and now you can go to Mexico and ask where the bathroom is, but that's it. Versus knowing how to fluently speak Spanish and being able to go to a Spanish-speaking country and feel really successful with your ability to interact and communicate with the locals. It's the same thing here. From a language perspective, if you just learn a couple of sentences, a couple of patterns inside of the dance, boom, you might be able to repeat those again and again and again, but it is not the same as speaking our body language. Oh, I'm so excited. This is a dance that people can do, and it's a dance that people should do, but it takes people freaking years to learn West Coast Swing. I have had more people quit dancing than I've had people stay with dancing, and that sucks. This is the evolution of our educational methodology for West Coast Swing. I am so excited for you to join me in this journey. It's my passion, it's what I love. I want to be able to share it with you and with all of the newcomer and novice dancers out there who haven't yet joined our community. So make sure to share these videos and progress through them with me as we continue developing your West Coast Swing through the body language curriculum.